Hello and welcome to another video. Yes, but as you can see, we've got two packages here. Yeah, pretty much close running up to Christmas time because obviously there's some stuff in here for Christmas as well. But yes, as you can tell, it's another unboxing video to do, and it's also from the guys and girls over at Your World and Building Blocks. So once again, big thanks to those over at Your World. Very much appreciated. So yeah, I think we're just going to crack on and get inside what we've got. So we're going to start with the biggest box, I think. So yeah, we're going to throw this one to the one side, and then yeah, so this one it was labelled up and it was 6 kilos. So this is a big hefty box itself. So I'm just going to crack this open. It's always neatly taped as well, which is always good. And then there we are. So first things first, we are greeted by a load of sets here as well. So first things first, we've got a mock. It's a bit of a smallish mock as well. I've got to try and remember what I've actually ordered, to be honest. But this mock 138347, and there's a load of black and red pieces. So this would actually be a Ford Mustang Mach 1, I think it is. So a Speed Champion scale. So a pretty decent size to put into the Lego City as well. And yeah, so we'll obviously get that done at some point in the future. Don't know whether it's going to be a stream build or probably just a build there, and I'll put it up as a post on my YouTube. But that one's going to be pretty cool. And of course, these are all within reasonable prices as well. So yeah, very cool. And then we've got another big bag. I know what this one is actually. This is what I was saying about the Christmas theme. So I might actually leave this one till, say, like next year, and then, you know, do a Christmas stream or something like that. So this one is S0052, and if I try and open this one up, there's a load of parts and pieces in here, actually individually bagged as well, and we've got stickers. Okay, so that's pretty cool for a mock set, actually. So yeah, this is the Christmas tree. This is a Christmas tree that we've got. So that looks really cool. Like the fact that we've actually got some stickered pieces, as you can see just there as well. So that'll be very interesting to do. Yeah, I don't know whether to do it. We'll probably do that as a Christmas build next year. Put that to one side. I have to remember where I'll put it, of course. So yeah. Okay, and then we go down over here. We've got a couple of bags. So I'm not going to open these bags up because obviously getting all the parts out and things like that. But the books I see are down here. So we have so set number Y26002, which is this one here, and we've got the I-Key or E-Key Super Racing Car. So this one's a BMW. This one looks really cool. So I'll open the. I will open the books up, so then we can see what there is. So it says "Born to Dominate the Track." I like the way that they've done that as well. So we've got some stickers. So how many sheets of stickers? 1, 2, 3, and 4 sheets of stickers that we have. Really cool. Very vibrant in the colours as well. And they look like the clear transfer stickers. So we then go across. We've then got some of a picture of the real car, obviously in drawing, and of course 4 numbered bags to build the whole car up there, as you can see. So yes, this looks really cool. I actually saw these and I thought, oh, I really like the look of these cars. I remember showing these ones off on my live streams as well. And yeah, there was about 3 or 4 of the cars. So I might actually get all of them actually. So, and of course then there's the final bit there at the back there that where you put your stickers on as well. So we'll then close that one off. So that is that one for that bag, 26002. And then we've got bag number, or set number 26001, which is this one here. And I thought this one was really cool as well. I think these won the Le Mans this year or last year. I'm not too sure. Yet again, we've got 2 sheets of stickers on top of the book itself. So that might just be the only stickers that we've got. So this one is the Ferrari that goes along with the BMW. So really, really cool. Yet again, another picture of the Ferrari. And yeah, really, really cool. I like that. I like the look of this one as well. It looks like only 3 numbered bags this time. So very interesting. I do like the colours on this one, the red and yellow. They definitely go really, really well with each other. So yeah, we've got that one. That is all of that. So we'll then put the stickers into the book for that there, and then put that to one side. And then right at the bottom, we are then greeted with a load of bags here. Basically, we actually got a set from a brand called Lumibrix. So yeah, really, really cool. I'll get this out of the bag. We've also got a little bag inside here, which I will open up. That's not for this set, but something else. We've got a yellow Lucky Charm as well. But this one is the Lumibrix L9093. And this is a collectible lowrider. I like the look of that as well. And yeah, I saw that. I thought, oh, brilliant. I will get that. We have a service card that's inside this as well. All the pictures showing through the details and variations as well. There's got the light sets that's in there, showing you how to put the lights in. But yeah, these books look really, really cool. I think what I'll probably end up doing is probably do a separate review video at some point for this build, and then obviously I will do it as a build on live stream. And then what I'll do is I'll mix the review, so I'll do the beginning of a review video to start off with, and then once I've built it, I can then go back and then add the finished product into the video as well. So we'll do a full build review and things like that. So yes, as I said, they are all numbered bags as well. So there's quite a few bags there, and we've actually got this little box here, which I think is pretty cool actually, because inside you get a pair of tweezers inside, but you also get 2. I'm not going to open them, but you also get 2 bags for the kit itself, and that is actually for the lighting. So obviously you can light the car up, so put the headlights in, the tail lights, and things like that. So yeah, that is that with that one. That I'm really, really looking forward to doing this set itself. Now moving on, we've then got this little bag here. I'll just open this up quickly, and inside here we have a small minifig, a load of pieces there for the minifig itself. But this is the Lich King from World of Warcraft, and I saw this, I thought, oh, brilliant. I think he was only about £2, so definitely worth the price. So yeah, so that is basically all of that lot in this package. So that was package number 1. We will move this to one side, and then we'll go over to package number 2. Move the box over to here. So we've got the smaller one, the smallest box, and this was only 3.5 kilos actually. So yeah, really, really cool. Get this open, and then we shall see what was inside. This one was turned up a little bit later compared to the first one because of what was actually arriving, or what was in these. First off, I can see that they're all boxed sets as well, so I'm not going to actually open the boxes up themselves, but I will just show them off. So we've built some of these before, and I tell you what, these kits are really, really cool. The first one is the Power Build PB8832. These are all 1/32 scale cars, and this is the Toyota GT86. I do like the way they do these boxes as well, because, I mean, come on, look at that. The artwork on that box, though, really, really cool. I like that one. So that is really, really awesome. Looking forward to doing that one. And of course, it also says it's a Toyota official licensed product. So it's officially licensed by Toyota themselves. The next one, we have another one. You probably get along, you can see what the theme with this lot is anyway. So the next one is, if I can find the set number, yet again, these are all power builds. This is the PB8846, and this is the Liberty Walk Nissan GT-R R35. So yeah, and the colour of the car there as well, really cool. I like the fact that they do the artwork and the colour of the box the same as the colour of the build as well. And every build that you get does come with these little shipping containers, so I think that is pretty cool on the way they've actually done that as well. Really, really good. Next one, this is a different, and yet again, an old school vehicle. This is the PB8845, the Liberty Walk, a Lamborghini Countach, or Countach, however you would pronounce it. Yet again, there's the artwork for it as well. Really, really cool. I like this. And yeah, as I said, you will see on the box, it does show it inside the shipping container as well. They're like little display cases, which I think are really, really good. Really fun to build. Yet again, these are Speed Champions size cars. I think these are only about £12–13 each. So definitely worth the price of these cars, you know, obviously compared to other brands. And then the last one, now I will be taking this away with me because obviously I'm going away on holiday for Christmas. So I'll be going over to my parents and I'll be taking this over, so I'll be doing it as a Christmas build. And then obviously I'll most likely put it up as a short or something like that. But this one is, I'm trying to find the set number. It doesn't say the set number on the box. That's a bit strange. Very, very strange on this one. But this one is basically a Christmas variant of a vintage truck as well, and I do like this one. I think it really, really sets the scene as well. So if you want to do a winter village for your Christmas theme, this will be perfect to actually put in as well. Yet again, you've got your artwork on the box there as well. Really, really cool. So yeah, really awesome builds these are. And yet again, you can take the tree out and use it as a standard standalone vehicle for your city as well. So yeah, there we are. That is basically what we've actually got for this month's haul. I did say, obviously, at the beginning of the video, it was sort of like a slight Christmas theme, because obviously we've got the Christmas tree and we've also got the pickup truck as well. So as I said, I will be taking this away with me on holiday, so I can then go and build this separately. That will then be put up as a short video or something like that. And then the other one, the tree, that will then be put away to build for next year and probably do as a live stream with some friends as well. Maybe we can get some friends to come and join on stream, maybe do a Christmas build off as well. So there we are. That is basically what we've got for this one. So I hope you have liked it. If you have, please do remember to drop a thumbs up as well. And if you come across this video and you're not subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button as well. It really, really helps. Yeah, other than that, big thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have a very good Merry Christmas as well. And we will obviously catch you in the new year. So Happy New Year, and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.